Most drivers are straight up burning money on big-name tires that die around 35,400,000 miles, while a few underrated brands are quietly hitting 70,000, 80,000, and beyond with way fewer problems. Nobody talks about it, but today I'm exposing the 13 hidden gems that outperform the expensive stuff in real-world tests and long-term data. Stick with me, the number one brand on this list still shocks veteran mechanics every single time. Let's get into it. Number 13, Kumho. We start with a South Korean legend that's been mastering tires since 1960. Kumho grew from a tiny shop making 20 tires a day into a global powerhouse with factories in the US, China, Vietnam, and R&D centers across 3 continents. That experience shows in every tire. They nail the perfect mix of performance, crazy longevity, and killer pricing. Models like the Exta and Solis regularly push past 70,000 miles in owner reports, often for half the price of premium brands. Tire rack long-term tests prove even treadwear, and Consumer Reports loves their value. Motorsports experience from Formula 3 and TCR racing delivers compounds that give sharper handling and better heat resistance on your daily driver. Occasional older model sidewall complaints exist, but warranty claims stay super low under 0.2%. BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Hyundai all trust them as original equipment. Impressive, right? But wait until you hear about the next one. It pushes affordability and real durability even harder. Number 12, Falcon. A Japanese brand born in 1983 that's been quietly dominating for drivers who want tough tires without the markup. After fixing some early issues, modern Falcon tires now regularly outlast big-name competitors in long-term reports. Their racing wins in Formula Drift and brutal off-road events like King of the Hammers built compounds and treads that laugh at abuse. The Wildpeak line is a beast on trucks and SUVs, strong in mud, snow, and highways without eating tread fast. Aisne shines on sport sedans, while everyday ZX and Cincera models stay quiet and long-lasting for commuters. Many carry up to 80,000-mile warranties, and J.D. Power ranked them 1 for truck and SUV satisfaction. Silicone-enriched compounds and smart nano design cut rolling resistance for better efficiency and extra miles. Solid, but the next brand takes longevity to another level. Number 11, General Tire. An American icon founded in 1915 in Akron, Ohio, when the city was full of tire makers. Almost all those companies vanished, but General Tire survived over a century because they build tires that last. Now backed by Continental, their quality is even stronger. They invented game-changing ideas like the low-pressure balloon tire for comfort and drum building for trucks. That DNA lives in today's designs. The Grabber series dominates for trucks and SUVs. Duragen Tech fights cuts and chips, while Traction notches grip dirt and mud hard. Owners report these tires surviving towing, off-roading, and highway miles without fast wear. The Alti Max RT43 crushes Consumer Reports tests, often beating Michelin and Continental in wear and quietness. You get premium-level performance at mid-range prices. If you're learning something here, smash like, share this with anyone buying tires, and subscribe. The top 3 will completely change how you shop. Number 10, Toyo. Despite a past price-fixing story in 2013, Toyo's tires have earned a rock-solid reputation for outlasting pricier options since 1945. They manufacture in Japan, the US, China, and Malaysia, selling in over 100 countries. The Open Country line is a legend for trucks and SUVs. It takes gravel, towing, and daily abuse with minimal tread loss even after thousands of tough miles. Racing in Baja 1000 and Formula Drift keeps their compounds tough in extreme heat. They're also pushing sustainability hard. A 2024 prototype reached 91% renewable materials. Their Nano Energy line reduces rolling resistance for better fuel economy and longer life. The next brand squeezes out even more miles for your dollar. Number 9, Cooper. Founded in 1914, Cooper stayed independent for over 100 years while bigger names disappeared. That kind of staying power comes from tires that actually last in the real world. Adaptive traction tech bites wet and dry roads, snow grooves add winter confidence, and even wear means serious extra mileage. The Discover AT3 XLT is a standout on trucks and SUVs. Owners rave about long tread life with towing and light off-road use. Tread blocks stay stable, keeping rides quiet and composed. Great range for sedans to trucks at prices that feel like a steal, more miles per dollar than most premium options. Number 8. Yokohama. Most people know Yokohama from racing, but their street tires quietly outlast expensive competitors on normal roads. Since 1917, their endurance racing tech creates compounds that resist heat wear like crazy. The Advan line delivers sharp handling and strong wet grip with better tread life than most performance tires. Avid models keep sedans and crossovers smooth and quiet for high mileage. Geolandar tires excel on SUVs and trucks in mixed conditions with even wear deep into their life. Orange oil compounds add flexibility without faster wear, helping efficiency and low noise. Perfect balance of price, grip, and longevity. Number 7. Hankook. This brand went from good mid-tier to competing with the best. Hankook tires often outlast pricier options in owner reports and consumer reports. Since 1941, heat-stable compounds and contour control tech keep treads strong, firm, and quiet even near the end. Ventus Performance tires give sports cars grip without burning tread fast. Kynergy All Seasons are commuter favorites for mileage and wet braking. Dynapro on trucks and SUVs laughs at daily abuse. Fleet drivers love the miles per dollar. Number 6. Sumitomo. Roots over 400 years deep with a tire division built on stability and strength, drivers call Sumitomo surprisingly tough for the price. Rigid blocks and advanced compounds create slow, even wear while staying stable at highway speeds. Excellent grooves channel water away for consistent wet grip. HTR sharpens sport sedans. Encounter gives SUVs reliable traction with impressive lifespan, great durability without breaking the bank. Now into the top 5, these are the real longevity kings. Number 5. Firestone. An American legend since 1900 that put tough tires on early Fords, still focused on hardworking, long-lasting rubber under Bridgestone. Strong compounds and smart treads deliver stable highway feel and reliable dry-wet grip. Destination Series crushes it on SUVs and trucks across dirt, gravel, and wet roads. Firehawk gives sporty cars sharp cornering without premium cost. Proven value and slower than expected wear make them a smart, trustworthy pick. Number 4. Linglong. Hankook-backed budget brand that delivers real performance without the high price. Modern tech means solid quality. Good dry and wet grip, smooth, quiet highway ride, and practical treads for stability. GFIT for commuters wanting efficiency and comfort. ZFIT EQ adds sporty feel. XFit handles SUVs well. Solid winter options too. Some limits in deep snow and a bit more noise on rough roads, but for the money these are smart, reliable tires. Number 3. Nexen. Nexen delivers premium-level quality, comfort, and durability at 20–40% lower prices. Since 1942, they've pushed innovation hard, including AI tread design with factories in South Korea, China, and Europe. Trusted as original equipment by VW, Kia, Hyundai, BMW, Porsche, Ram, and more. Drivers love the quiet ride, consistent grip, and strong tread life. Some limits in extreme winter or serious off-road, but overall Nexen is outstanding value and easily earns top 3 status. Number 2. GT Radial. Flagship of Goodyear tire roots in 1951, sold in 130-plus countries with major OEM partnerships. Citroën, Peugeot, VW, and others use them from the factory. Official tire for the 2025 Subaru BRZ series. Balances value and performance perfectly. Strong grip, comfortable ride, good tread life. Eco compounds boost efficiency, plus dedicated EV tires that cut noise and help range. Champiro for daily drivers, rugged AT-MT for adventure. Wide lineup covers almost everything. Number 1. Uniroyal. Our undisputed top underrated tire. Around since 1892, priced in the smart middle ground, yet delivers performance that punches way above its weight. Famous as the rain tire for a reason, shark skin-inspired tread tech evacuates water fast and slashes aquaplaning risk. Rain Expert and All Season lines give confident dry, wet, and light snow performance with solid tread life and quiet rides. Backed by Michelin and Continental quality standards without flagship prices. While others chase hype, Uniroyal quietly nails safety, longevity, and value better than anyone else. For most drivers, this is the smartest choice. Many drivers think they know tire care, but dangerous old myths are still costing people serious money and safety. Want to protect your car and wallet? Click the link below for the tire myths video that could save you thousands. Drop your favorite underrated tire brand or worst tire mistake in the comments. I read them all. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.